Waterfall kitchen sink. Cup washing. Liquid soap hole. Multi-mode faucet. The faucet can be pulled out, and it has 3 water output modes. Waterfall water outlet. The waterfall-style water outlet design makes the water flow gentle and less likely to spray or splash. Water temperature display. Water temperature switch. Double track. You can place mobile kitchenware to suitable positions in the sink to maximize the use of the sink space. Drain switch. Make drainage more efficient and cleaner.